Before this decade ends, most retail traders will disappear. Not because the market crashes, not because opportunities vanish, but because they will be exposed by AI. And the scary part? It will not replace disciplined traders. It will eliminate emotional ones. Right now, artificial intelligence can process more data in 1 second than you can in your entire lifetime. It does not get tired, it does not feel fear, it does not revenge trade, it does not hesitate, it does not increase position size after a loss. So naturally, traders start asking the wrong question. How can I compete with AI? But you are never competing with AI. You are competing with yourself. And most traders are losing that battle every single day. Large institutions have used algorithmic systems for decades. High-frequency firms execute trades in milliseconds. Complex models scan markets 24 hours a day. This is not new. And yet, retail traders still exist. Why? Because markets are not just math. Markets are behavior. Markets are fear and greed expressed through price. AI can analyze information, but it cannot remove human emotion from the market. And emotion is where opportunity is born. Here is the real reason people are afraid. Deep down, most traders know they are inconsistent. They break their own rules, they hesitate on valid setups, they move stop losses, they close winners too early, they increase risk after losses. So when they hear about AI, they panic, because they understand something uncomfortable. A disciplined system will always outperform an undisciplined human. The fear is not intelligence, the fear is discipline. Let me ask you something honestly. If you followed your trading rules perfectly for the next 12 months, no deviations, no impulsive entries, would you be profitable? If the answer is yes, AI is not your problem. You are. AI will not destroy structured traders. It will destroy sloppy execution. It will eliminate emotional overtrading. It will compress inefficiencies, and when inefficiencies shrink, luck shrinks with them. If you were surviving because of random wins, that window is closing. If you were gambling and calling it strategy, the market will correct you faster. Now, here is something even deeper. Most traders secretly want AI to save them. They want certainty. They want emotionless decisions. They want something to blame when things go wrong. If a machine makes the decision, the loss feels less personal. If an algorithm fails, you can say, the system was wrong. But when you fail alone, you must face yourself. And that is uncomfortable. Imagine you build the perfect automated system. You backtest it. You optimize it. It looks amazing on paper. Then you go live. The first month is negative. Drawdown begins. Do you trust the system, or do you turn it off? Most traders turn it off at the worst possible moment. Not because the system failed, because their emotional tolerance failed. AI does not struggle with drawdowns. Humans do. AI does not question its identity during a losing streak. Humans do. And that is why technology will never remove your psychological responsibility. It will amplify it. Let me challenge you with something uncomfortable. If you had to compete against a version of yourself, one that followed rules perfectly, one that never hesitated, one that never moved stop losses, one that accepted every loss calmly, would you win? Or would that version outperform you easily? That version already exists. It is called discipline, and most traders sabotage it. The future of trading does not belong to the smartest person. It belongs to the most emotionally stable person. Not the highest IQ, not the fastest computer. Because even if you use AI tools, even if you automate entries, even if you rely on data models, you still decide when to trust the system, when to override it, when to increase risk. Those decisions are psychological, not technical. Here is what will really happen in the AI era. Markets will become more efficient, obvious mistakes will be punished faster, random edges will disappear quicker, noise will shrink, which means only structured traders will survive. If you cannot follow a simple risk rule consistently, AI is not your threat. If you cannot accept being wrong without emotional reaction, AI is not your threat. If you change strategies every few months, AI is not your threat. Your impatience is. Technology amplifies who you already are. If you are disciplined, it makes you stronger. If you are impulsive, it makes you more dangerous to yourself. Speed increases consequences. Automation removes delay. And when delay disappears, your flaws become expensive. Pause. AI will compress the middle. Average traders will disappear. Only two types will remain: the structured and the reckless. And reckless does not reward intelligence. It rewards emotional control. That was true 50 years ago. It is true today, and it will still be true in the AI era. Pause. So stop asking whether AI will replace traders. Start asking whether you are disciplined enough to operate in a more efficient market. Because in the end, AI will not remove traders, it will remove emotional chaos. It will remove undisciplined behavior. And if that scares you, it means you still have work to do. Pause. Now I want you to be honest. Are you afraid of AI? Or are you afraid of confronting your own inconsistency? Comment below. Discipline or emotion? If you want to survive the next decade of trading, you do not need more indicators. You need stronger psychology. Subscribe, because this channel is not about hype. It is about becoming the trader who cannot be replaced.